What's up? I'm back. Now we're gonna play MotoGP again. I have a long time since I've last played MotoGP. The last time I played of course I got into Ducati, and we're gonna start the race, of course. I don't know. I like forgot the controls a little bit, but it's fine. I can get used to it. Now we're gonna talk like this fast, like I always used to talk. Of course, go from the inside all the time, and you of course gotta bump everybody. You gotta bump them, of course. The the disciplinary disciplinary what the fuck the discipline flags are off, so I don't have penalties. Yeah, that's why I drive like this. No risk, no reward. So just go from the inside again. Not all the time, but when you can, just go. Yeah, come on. I, yeah, Iannone. Iannone. What the fuck? Iannone. Alright. Yeah, the names here just confuse you more than the driving, to be honest. But it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Buttersquash. What the fuck is that? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. What the fuck? Oh, even though I think I took the line. Yeah, I don't know if I took the line correctly. But yeah, someone was faster than me. But nobody is faster than me. First place, first lap, first place. That's cool. Yeah, crazy. No. All shits and giggles if I would have slipped. Hold up, I gotta pause the video because the limit on the PlayStation. I'm gonna let them pass. It's fine. All to 10th position, maybe 11th. What? Right? 11th. All right. 12th. Oh fuck. So 14th. Oh fuck. All right. Just we are gonna see if we can come back from this. And now lock in. Fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah, man. We made it. We did the comeback. The comeback was actually real. So I think the song was also very nice. Talk to me as I'm sleeping. Hold me watching pain. Honestly, I could just breathe you in. Or however the beat goes. And now, I'm gonna just look behind for a second. Hold up. Yeah, that's crazy. Hold the fucking second. Why is the fucking wheel in front so small? Yeah, crazy. You know what else is small? Not the wheel in the back. Oh, fucking hell. Yeah, of course I know that not driving on the track makes you win. That's why people never overtake me. Either I'll just break right now and kill them, or either I'll just get out of the track. Two options. Yeah, now and now we win again. Just wheelie for a second. I got bad at wheeling. Fuck yeah, man! Let's go! Another win!